Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful marketing? In this ultimate guide, we will share 10 invaluable tips that you cannot afford to miss. Whether you are a business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, these tips will provide you with the knowledge and tools to elevate your marketing game and achieve extraordinary results. So get ready to take your marketing to the next level. It should be memorable, relevant, and emotionally resonant with your target audience. Develop a strong brand identity that encompasses your brand name, logo, and visual elements that communicate your brand's personality and values. Welcome to our channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Tip number 1, know your target audience. Before you can start marketing your product or service, you need to know who you're trying to reach. Build an email list and send regular newsletters, promotional emails, and personalized messages. Search engine optimization or SEO is essential for driving organic traffic to your website. Optimize your website content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages. Use analytics tools to monitor website traffic, social media engagement, and other marketing metrics. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Use relevant keywords, create high-quality backlinks, and ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Stay adaptable and embrace change by keeping up with the latest trends and technologies. We hope these 10 tips have provided you with the insights and tools you need to elevate your marketing game. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow marketers. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep marketing, stay inspired, and make it big. Experiment with new marketing channels and tactics, and be willing to adjust your strategies based on the results you achieve. Segment your email list and use automation tools to deliver targeted campaigns that drive engagement and conversions. This includes understanding their demographics, interests, and pain points. By creating a buyer persona, you can tailor your marketing messages to resonate with your target audience and increase the likelihood of conversion. Run targeted ad campaigns on search engines and social media platforms. By paying only when someone clicks on your ad, you can reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for building long-lasting relationships with your customers. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns effectively, and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Positive customer experiences will lead to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Tip number 2. Build a strong brand identity. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition. Create valuable and engaging content such as blog posts, articles, and videos that provide your audience with useful information while promoting your products or services. Tip number 3. Provide excellent customer service. Tip number 4. Leverage the power of content marketing. Content marketing is a powerful way to connect with your target audience, establish thought leadership, and drive conversions. Tip number 5. Utilize social media marketing. Social media platforms provide a fantastic opportunity to reach your target audience. Engage with your followers, share your content, run targeted ad campaigns, and monitor your brand mentions. By being active on relevant social media platforms, you can build relationships with potential customers and drive traffic to your website. Tip number 6. Don't neglect email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for reaching your target audience. Tip number 7. Invest in search engine optimization. Tip number 8. Consider pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click or PPC advertising can be a highly effective way to reach your target audience. Tip number 9. Track and analyze your results. It is crucial to track and analyze your marketing results to determine what is working and what needs improvement. And finally, tip number 10. Stay adaptable and embrace change. The marketing landscape is constantly evolving. There you have it, folks, the ultimate guide to marketing success.